This is a gorgeous foldable UPF 50 plus straw hat. It was center view. I absolutely love it. I have just really been struggling with being able to see at my kids' soccer games with the blinding sunlight. Not to mention, I love walking and my part has been getting sunburned and it's just a struggle. So I have been looking for a great hat to help protect me from the sun and keep the sun out of my eyes. And this is the one, guys. It is so cute. It is adjustable in here if you need to tighten it up. But personally, it fits me perfectly. You do get a little bit of sun that comes through because it's very breathable, but it is the perfect balance of breathable and sun protection in my opinion. I don't know about you, but I don't want a sweaty head all summer. And that's what's kept me from wearing sun hats in the past. So this one is amazing. It's so cute, it's so comfy. This is the khaki with black. They have it in a few other color options as well, but I just love this. It's so versatile. It goes with every outfit. Wear it all summer long, take it on every vacation. It is a win.